Hello, my name is Joshua Walker. I'm the program chair of the Computer Integrated Machining program here at Gaston College. Our program has 5 different pathways, one being an associate's degree, which is a 2-year program, one being a diploma, which is a 1-year program, and 3 different certificates following in CNC and manual turning, CNC and manual milling, and CNC and CAM programming. In our program, you'll learn several things. You'll learn how to run the Haas CNC control, the FANUC CNC control, as well as the Mazak control, and also the GF Fisher Agishar Millie's control. We do a lot of different things in our department. We machine stuff from solid pieces of material down to whatever industry would need. We being aerospace, automotive, natural gas, and oil, we simulate several different processes that allow our students to adapt to whatever job market that they're going to. We have a lot of personal working relationships with local industries, so there's not a problem getting a job afterward once you're done with your certificate, your diploma, or your associates. A lot of our students are placed in very high-paying jobs. The range for our industry for an operator starts somewhere around between $25,000 to $35,000 a year, and a programmer, which is the top level in our industry, goes up to almost $100,000 a year based on experience and pay in the field that you may go into. Several different options in our program will allow students to further better themselves into even management positions as well, because in the associates program, you become a more well-rounded student with English and maths and also humanities and social electives. If you have any questions or comments, you'll feel free to contact me at the information below.